Arbab-e-jah, Arbab-e-jah, people possessing rank, dignity or position. Arbab-e-jah, people possessing rank, dignity or position. Arbab-e-jah, people possessing rank, dignity or position. Arbab-e-hukumat, the government, the authorities. Arbab-e-hukumat, the government, the authorities. Arbab-e-hukumat, the government, the authorities. Arbab-e-hal-o-aqd, the authorities. Arbab-e-hal-o-aqd, the authorities. Arbab-e-hal-o-aqd, the authorities. Arbab-e-danish, the wise, the intelligentsia, the intellectuals. Arbab-e-danish, the wise, the intelligentsia, intellectuals. Arbab-e-danish, the wise, the intelligentsia, intellectuals. Arbab-e-fahm, the wise, the intelligentsia, intellectuals. Arbab-e-fahm, the wise, the intelligentsia, intellectuals. Arbab-e-fahm, the wise, the intelligentsia, intellectuals. Arbab-e-sukhan, orators, masters of language, poets. Arbab-e-sukhan, orators, masters of language, poets. Arbab-e-sukhan, orators, masters of language, poets. Arbab-e-shara, religious scholars. Arbab-e-shara, religious scholars. Arbab-e-shara, religious scholars. Arbab-e-adalat, court authorities. Arbab-e-adalat, court authorities. Arbab-e-adalat, court authorities. Arbab-e-firasat, the sagacious. Arbab-e-firasat, the sagacious. Arbab-e-firasat, the sagacious. Arbab-e-nishat, entertainers, vocalists, dancers, singers, musicians. Arbab-e-nishat, entertainers, vocalists, dancers, singers, musicians. Arbab-e-nishat, entertainers, vocalists, dancers, singers, musicians. Arbab-e-himmat, men of spirit, men of lofty inspirations. Arbab-e-himmat, men of spirit, men of lofty inspirations. Arbab-e-himmat, men of spirit, men of lofty inspirations.